Hello, let's start 2020 Schouw. For digital art, I first started with self-portrait. I used mosaic because I wanted to make it abstract, because I didn't want to define myself with something that is existing. I tried some experiments physically and also digitally. This was inspired by the corner box, and I also used some animations. But those are not what I aimed for. I recall the drawing that I made before. This was about expressing my complicated abstract feelings into drawings. So, inspired by the drawing, I made the shape into 3D object with the changing colors. The changing colors represents me myself continuously changing by second. And for the light installation, I wanted to make a rainbow, and I found that I can make a rainbow with water, mirror, and the light. So try some experimentations. These are the settings that I made for the installation. At the end, it wasn't really a rainbow, and also the system for vibration didn't work well, but I still like the effects. And for the typography poster, for the open source program, I used this computer generated hologram, CGH Maker. This website shows how to convert image with this program. And if you print converted image on the transparent paper and shoot the laser through it, then you could see the hologram image. I printed this image for trying some with the laser, but it didn't work well with the letters, but kind of worked with simple dots. And I tried with a basic letter A first, and then there's like a several diverse outcomes with the program. And I tried converting the word secret. I choose it because you cannot see it unless you put the laser to it. And I designed this poster. The secret word is in the center, and in the bottom there's instructions how to read it. And I silk screened it with the transparent paper and also with other colors and different paints. So these are the outcomes. And this one, I made it by accident. This is a transparent paint, but I like it most. And for a writing machine, I choose Gummy Bear because I love it. And I found this text someone wrote about how to eat gummy bears. I wanted to make a poem with the gummy bear with this text, so I classified all the adverbs, nouns, adjectives, and for making the structure of the poem, I tried several combinations of words like adverb, adjective, noun, noun, verb, noun, something like that. I used processing for the random combinations, and I had some weird outcomes. At the end, I thought the adjective plus noun works best, so I used that combinations and made a website. Randomly generated poem about Haribo Gold Bear. And media theory, I made a sound of pure data. My idea started from the line, nothing has more aura than the invisible. The visualization of digital data is a sacrilege. From the book Art Power by Boris Groys. And I wrote this text kind of like a poem. And maybe you could imagine where the data came from while you're listening to the sound of pure data. Okay, the data came from the text that I wrote. I transferred the text into decimal number and made a sound with the numbers. Okay, and that's it. It's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.